Guys, taste test this and these with me. Farmer's market, and look at these gorgeous, huge tomatoes. These are lady fingers here, and this is pink delicious. I've never tried either one. We're going to have a taste test with them. I'm gonna cut them up, and for this, I'm gonna make a tomato sandwich because that's exactly why I bought that. And look at how big this Whopper is here. Look at this. All right, be back in a sec. All right, so I have tried Ladyfinger. She is incredibly tough and thick-walled. I really see no reason to save her seeds or to even investigate if she is an heirloom or a hybrid. I'm gonna take a full one. I'm gonna let you listen to how this is gonna go. Way too much wall for me. It is pretty juicy, but yeah, I'm not really, not my favorite. Are definitely going to eat these. They are not gonna go to waste. I have them paired with my homegrown Generally cucumbers that I just picked today. I've got some, I love this big thick shreds of cheese. Got a little ham on here, bacon bits. Gonna get some croutons. Couldn't put it all in here, or else you're not gonna see how great these tomatoes look. And they do look fantastic and very pretty, especially when you cut them differently, since they're such an odd shape in your salad. They're gonna look fantastic. But as far as me thinking I need to have these again, no. All right, so I have already tasted a little bit of this, and it was immediately mildly sweet. I'm excited about this one. Look at these big old thick sliced tomato sandwiches. One slice, that's what I was going for. This one got a little bit too close to the core here, so I cut some of it out. It would have been perfect if I would have went in the middle, but Mom and I both wanted this particular tomato, so those are the breaks. You can see how huge this is. I do like this. So I harvested up some seeds, and I just scoop them out with a spoonful, and I'm just gonna drop them on my paper towel, and I'm just gonna kind of spread them out so I can break up that membrane a little bit. And I do label them, including the year, and add that this is heirloom. That way I don't have to look this up again. But I'm gonna let this dry, and then next year all I have to do is pinch this out and put it directly into the ground or a cell. Just for a reference point, I did use this sunbeam bread, so you know how big the slice of bread is, but I've already showed you that with my hand. You guys, these are gonna be good. So to fill in this hole, I just took the outer part of this and just shoved it in here, kind of like a little toad in a hole type situation. I did salt mine, I mayonnaised mine on both sides, and I'm gonna give it a proper tomato sandwich taste test. Oh my God, look at how thick this is. A one slicer that thick. That is perfection with just a mild sweetness. I added some salt for that sweet, salty taste. Guys, I'm not gonna waste this. I'm gonna hunk this up and put it into the salad that I've already made. And I bought these little bags over at Michael's. I am going to share these seeds that you see me just put on the paper towel. And I'm gonna slip these into some Christmas cards for my garden peeps. Without a doubt, this is delicious. It is named appropriately, and I will be growing this excellent tomato sandwich. Wonderful flavor, huge, heirloom. They're supposed to be prolific. but I'll see for myself when I grow them for myself. Thank you so much for watching, and I invite you again to subscribe, as I have been gardening for over 40 years and have a lot to teach, show, grow, review, experiment with, and my favorite, a specific variety everything deep dive. So let's try new things together, mix it up, and have a glorious day.